Don't miss this episode, MatrixSpace on the Drone Radio Show with host Randy Goers. David Cameron, Field Services Engineer and Lead UAS Pilot at MatrixSpace, talks about the evolution of drone as first responder programs and how MatrixSpace sensors can improve safety and operational efficiency of future DFR missions. Drone Radio Show middle. Getting to drone as first responder 2.0 with smaller, more powerful sensors. David Cameron, MatrixSpace. David Cameron is Field Services Engineer and Lead UAS Pilot at MatrixSpace. MatrixSpace is a radar sensing company that produces the next generation of AI-enabled sensing that can identify objects and collect data in real time, with no cloud requirements. The company builds the smallest radar system to provide new levels of integrated outdoor surveillance, monitoring and inspection from both stationary and airborne platforms. David brings 33 years of service with the City of Campbell Police Department, where he held a variety of critical roles, most recently leading the department's DFR, Drone as First Responder, operations. He remains a reserve officer. As Field Services Engineer and Lead UAS Pilot at MatrixSpace, he drives the UAS-oriented solutions for this advanced radar company. One of promising uses for MatrixSpace radar systems is enhancing drone as first responder or DFR programs. The small size and powerful capabilities of the sensors mean police departments using drones as first responders can deliver improved service and safety while at the same time eliminating the need for rooftop visual observers. In this episode of the Drone Radio Show, David talks about MatrixSpace, the evolution of drone as first responder programs and how MatrixSpace sensors can improve safety and operational efficiency of future DFR missions.